a group of us were taught the rudiments of dowsing. Right, so basically what I've got to do is to think of water, or say water to myself, and walk along, and when these cross over, I should have water beneath me. I'm going to have a go now. Let's see what happens. That is amazing. Well, it seems that it works, and I know it works because what we've got down here is a water inspection hatch, but we'll try some other places because we're going to do some walls in a moment and see if I can find any evidence of walls. Well, I'm going to attempt dowsing a wall, and apparently that works as well. So I'm going to have a go at this and see what happens. It seems quite an interesting idea that you can actually find stone walls and brick walls as well. So I'll have a look at that. Just look at the strength of this plastic sprung dowser that this man brought along. He's looking for evidence of a wall, and he found it. Walking from the house, we come to a bridge. In fact, it's not a bridge at all. It is a causeway that goes over what was once the ice house. And looking over the railings, there's an area of grass, and once upon a time these were ponds where they would have stocked it with fish. Here's the ice house itself, and where the ponds are you can see the ice house. Well, apparently you can douse with one piece of wire. So I'm going to try that now and see how it does. Right here, apparently there were some ponds, so I'm going to see if I can do this with one rod while I'm using the camera. Right, here we go then. I've got my rod out in front of me. I'm going to walk across a part what once was the pond. So we'll say water, imagine water in my mind. There's a pond, there's water down here. Let's see if it crosses over in front of my body when I get to the water a bit. And here we go. Oh, there it goes. There it goes. We're still over the pond. 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 And we'll cross the pond. Isn't that amazing? Okay, now around the edge of the pond there was a wall. And I'm going to walk across again and to see if I can see where the wall was. There's a wall at the beginning and a wall that bounded the edge of the water. So here we go. Off we go. Here we go. Wall. Think of wall. The wall around the edge. Imagine the wall. And all I've got to do is think about it, and we're going to try it again. Here we go. Wall, 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 wall. There it is. And finished. Still walking across. Still walking across. Still walking across, looking about the wall. It must be here somewhere. And there it is. That's the wall, and it's finished. There we go. Isn't that incredible? So what have I learned from my rods? My two rods. I came here to Mount Edgecombe to see if I can do some divining. It was very interesting. The rods, just made out of a couple of coat hangers, seemed to cross where there was water. where you could indicate where there was walls. You could even work out the depth of water, which is interesting. The most fascinating part of it all is we went down to near to the water's edge and found evidence of old buildings. Now, the fascinating thing about it was, not only were we able to identify where the walls were, but we could tell where the windows were, and we could even date it. So, with that in view, I think Time Team have got a big challenge on their hands when they go and get their geophys. Why do it? All you need is a couple of those,